Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your girl, okay? As you can tell by the caption in this video, we are going to be installing this UNice 24-inch 6x4.5-inch closure ready go wig, and by that it's telling you we're ready to go. Throw on, put it on, and you're out the door. 20-30 minutes max. This unit did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it came pre-cut, so only thing I did was just lay the unit down, went ahead and cut off the little excess. It was probably like this much lace on it, so that's a good thing for my ladies who really aren't into the wig game or you're just getting started. So if you guys want to see the rest of this video and how I installed this unit, please keep watching.
Okay, to start off, this unit came beautifully packaged with all the essentials that you need: the HD wig cap, the UNice headband and laid edges, lashes, the really nice makeup brush where you can apply makeup to the unit if need be, this beautiful compact mirror that fits in small bags and micro bags, and of course the star of the show, the unit, which is 24 inches. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. Yes, I said all of those pre-things. It is a 6x4.5-inch closure, so it's definitely given lace front without ear to ear. And of course you can see the beautiful bundles, and inside the wig cap, which I'm going to show you guys, is the ventilated cap, which is breathable, wig band, as well as the two combs that's on the side.
I went ahead and put in my little ear holes, then I put the band on to just lay the glue a little extra, probably for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I got the wig, and I actually want to see if I have to put a little more of my foundation makeup on it, just so I know beforehand. I think it's pretty accurate when it comes to my hair color. Like, I don't know, let's see the lace. Yeah, it should be pretty accurate when it comes to my hair color. I can't actually put the wig on and like slide it back and forth because I have the band on, but yeah, one thing that I do like about this wig, so I did pre-try it on, it's breathable, 24 inches, like I said before, super thick from the top to bottom. This is the ends, and again, this is a straight wig, so it actually does hold curl a little, and I can't wait to straighten it because it's just gonna look like you got it done where? You got it done at Mainly Dolly on YouTube. I got my scissors. I went ahead and already put in my ear hole tabs. Take this off, and I did learn a new technique, guys, over the weekend. So instead of literally just like going up and cutting the band part, we're gonna cut here, like around it. We're gonna cut around and then pull this back so it's not fully all the way back. So let's see. Here she is. Yes, I don't know if I'm gonna name her. I always name my wigs, but I don't think I'm gonna name this one yet. I'll probably have a name by the end of this video. So okay, we're gonna go put her on, and when I put my wigs on, I know some people like to go front to back, but I like to go back to the front. Oh, okay. It's giving lace wear, and I just put it on. So I usually like have my wig band underneath my braids that's in the back, but we're gonna have this, have it down like this. And this wig is not straightened yet, so it's not laid. Just wait until we lay it. But while the band is on, we're actually gonna go ahead and style the unit. I'm just gonna straighten it like bone straight with my straightener. Super cute. And let me tell you guys, look how this, like, look how it just flows right through. And mind you, I'm using a ragtail comb. I wouldn't advise you to use one, but Yeah, and there's no hair on it. So you have quality hair, quality stitching, and that's what you want within your units. Look at this. You guys can see. Yeah, no hair. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and straightened this side and the back just because it was giving very much hectic. But I am gonna straighten this part that I have left on camera just so y'all can see how silky and straight and smooth it is. I did not put any product in it just because I want to show you guys the unit in its natural state, and it's giving very much bounce, and that's what you want out of a unit. You don't want stiff. So let me go ahead and finish straightening this part on camera so you guys can see it. I think I only do like 2 passovers. I don't do more than that, and the straightener is on 40.
I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express.
Okay, so I went ahead, did the edges, and put this on just to lay them down while I go ahead and just lay the top flat one more time. Now I'm just going with my spritz and spray the top of the unit because I have the straightener, and I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure this part is bone straight and laying flat to the guards. So this is how I do it. I just spray probably like 3, rub it together, and just on the top like this, and you will already see that, yeah. It's giving flat, but it's not flat yet. I want it to be like silk. It's coming straight out of the scalp, baby. We got the flat iron, warm it up. Now it's a difference between the one on the stove and the one you plug up, but we got an electric stove, so I'm gonna plug this up and use a little bit of electricity. I'm trying a lot of different things in this vlog for you guys, so just sit down, this little tutorial, and just pinch it. Hopefully it's like that. Okay, it's giving a little pinch. It's giving a little bit of song. We did the little part. I'm about to go upstairs, do my makeup, come back, and then show you guys the final look. I'm back. As you can see, I'm laid in slate. I went ahead and put on some makeup and just these cute little earrings so you guys can get the vibe. I feel like I'm giving Jamaica, Cancun, but I'm really not in Jamaica or Cancun. We're not gonna talk about it. But when I went ahead and straightened the unit, I didn't use anything on it. So this is the hair in its natural state, and it's flowing, it's giving very much thick, and it's giving long. So we like that. From the root to the bottom is super thick. So I hope you guys enjoyed the installation of this video. Again, this is the UNice hair 24-inch 6x4.5 wear go wig. Absolutely love it, absolutely beautiful. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your girls. Literally only took me like 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.